Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is a science class online, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and you would like to get more of my videos, please press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, like my video by pressing the like button, and also share my video to as many as possible. Now, this channel deals with learning chemistry systematically so as to overcome the challenges you have. So if you are really having challenges in chemistry, I would advise you to subscribe to my channel. Some of these topics, the topics that are giving you challenges will be dealt with. So in this video, I would like to teach you how compounds are formed. Now, a compound is formed when two or more elements combine together. Now, an element can be a cations or an anions. That is, when they give out their electrons, they become a cation. When they lose electron, they become an anion. So these two combine together, they can either exchange their valencies or cancel out their valencies. And at times, a single element can combine with a radical. So if you are yet to understand the concept of radicals, you can check the link below on the videos on radicals and also examples of compounds. This will really help you to understand more of the topic. So let's consider an element like magnesium. The rule in forming a compound is that the first element will be positively charged, while the next element will be negatively charged, or the next radical will be negative, then the elements at the front will be positive. That is how to arrange a compound. So if you consider the first 20 elements now, I'm going to pick magnesium. Magnesium. Don't forget, if you are yet to understand the first 20 elements, as in how to arrange them, then how to get their symbols, please check my video. I've made videos on that. It will really help you. Now, magnesium has an atomic number of 12. If I'm arranging it now, I will have to change it to ions. Magnesium alone is an atom. By the time it gives out its electrons, it becomes a cation, which is positively charged. So let's have magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is 12. And the first shell of magnesium takes 2, the second shell takes 8, the third shell takes 2, because the atomic number is 12. So in this case now, magnesium cannot gain 6 more, because the next shell is supposed to be 8. It cannot gain 6 more to make it 8, but it can give out 2 easily. It's easier giving out 2. So such elements becomes positively charged. Why? Why not negative? The reason is because they are losing or giving out a negative electron. When element gains electron, they become negatively charged. So in this case now, magnesium is +2 because it has given out 2 electrons. So let's consider an element, chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Capital C, small l. So I have the first shell taking 2, the second shell takes 8, the third shell takes 7. That's making 17. So it's in need of 1 more. So will it give out 7 that it has on the last shell, or gain 1? I think it's easier gaining 1 than giving out or losing 7. So when such element gains electron, it becomes negatively charged. So chlorine becomes -1, which is mostly written as minus, because the 1 there is negligible, so we don't write it most time. So with what we have here, they have different charges. Magnesium is having +2, chlorine is having -1. So what we do is to exchange their valency. We exchange their valency. Now, so this goes here, the other one comes this way. So we have Mg, -1 comes here, which is negligible. When the numbers are coming down, you remove their signs, plus or minus. You remove the sign because they have become atoms. They become number of atoms. So we write the 1 here, though we don't usually write 1, but I will write it first and clean it later. Why this 2 comes to this side as 2. Don't forget this Cl is chlorine. It's not, they are not two elements. It's just a single element which carries 2. So in this case, we have 1 atom of magnesium, 2 atoms of chlorine. So we have, I've cancelled out the one I have there. I have magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Now, if you have a compound like this, calcium and trioxocarbonate 4. These are two, another example, a single element and a radical. So here, calcium, this radical usually have charges of -2. You need to learn the list of radicals and learn the charges on them. Very important that you do this, just like you learn the first 20 elements. Now, calcium has atomic number of 20. So when you arrange, the first shell has 2, the second shell has 8, the third shell has 8, and the last shell is 2. That's 20. So this one, 2, will it be given out or gained? Or the element will gain 6 on the last shell? I think it's easier giving out 2 than gaining 6. So such element become Ca2 plus, because it's giving out a negative electron, and this radical is -2. So what do? We are supposed to exchange their valency, but because they are the same, they cancel out. So there are different ways. If you have different numbers, you exchange their valencies. If you are the same, you cancel them out. So this is the compound form, calcium trioxocarbonate 4. If you would like to learn more about how to name these compounds smoothly, you can check my videos on calculation of oxidation number. You will learn more on that.